Hi! In this video, I will show you how to remove audio in Wondershare Filmora. First is we will import our video. In Filmora, there are two options in removing the audio. First option is that we will mute the video. To mute the video, select the video and right-click and click on Mute. Automatically, the video will be muted. The second option is that we will detach the audio from the video and we will delete it. The audio has been removed. And that's it. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, please subscribe on our channel. Bye!